Primal Life Organics is absolutely leading the way in terms of cutting edge, natural, toxin-free, effective, and science-backed oral hygiene care products. But I wanted to take a moment to talk in a little bit more detail about the Real White LED teeth whitening system. This uses red and blue wavelengths of light to do something really unique for the care of our teeth and gums. As opposed to hydrogen peroxide-based teeth bleaching systems, where the hydrogen peroxide actually erodes the enamel, weakening teeth. And that's why so many of those systems can leave our teeth feeling extra hot, cold sensitive. It's actually making our teeth less healthy. This does the complete opposite. What's so amazing about this is the science behind how light actually impacts our oral health. Light interacts with biological processes through something called chromophores. So these are actually light receptors inside our cells, and different wavelengths of light activate different chromophores and have different effects. Blue wavelengths of light actually tend to have this downstream effect of causing the production of reactive oxygen species, also known as oxygen radicals. So this is why we don't see a lot of therapies using blue light for whole body. But in the mouth, what this does is actually interact with the metabolisms of a very select, small amount of bacteria that tend to be the ones that are responsible for cavities and gum disease. These bacteria have what is called a porphyrin-based metabolism. So this is an iron-based molecule inside the actual bacteria itself that, when it interacts with blue wavelengths of light and activates those chromophores, creates this big production of reactive oxygen species that then kills those bacteria. Now, this is really cool because there aren't very many things that can selectively kill off the problematic and pathogenic bacteria in the oral microbiome while leaving all of the probiotic beneficial species alone. So this is really, really cool technology. Blue wavelengths of light don't really bleach the teeth on their own, but they can accelerate teeth whitening and the lifting of stains from other whitening agents. And that's why the LED teeth whitening system comes with a clay and charcoal and essential oil based gel that you put on your teeth before you actually use the LED teeth whitener. Red wavelengths have a completely different effect. So red light therapy is sort of well known to be anti-inflammatory and healing, and that's true in the mouth as well. So we know that it reduces inflammation in the gums. It can help heal irritated gum tissue, but red wavelengths does something actually even cooler. It activates cells that actually live inside our teeth, in the pulp of our teeth, that are the cells that produce dentin and mineralize dentin, which is the layer that is right underneath the enamel. These cells, when they are activated, when their chromophores interact with red wavelengths of light, actually increase their activity, mineralizing the teeth from the inside out, and it activates cellular processes that are associated with tissue healing. So red wavelengths of light have the capacity not just to calm inflamed gums and help heal gum tissue, but even help mineralize our teeth from the inside out. Red wavelengths of light also have been shown to reduce plaque accumulation on our teeth. And so between blue, killing off bacteria that actually tend to be very dark colored, and when they adhere to our teeth look like stains, and reducing plaque in general, which can kind of have like a yellow film to it, as well as improving the mineralization of our teeth, all of those things together make for a naturally whiter, stain-free, healthier smile. With the Primal Life Organics Real White LED Teeth Whitening System, you can choose whether or not to do a blue treatment, a red treatment, or both at the same time. I always use both because best of both worlds. The system is designed to be used in conjunction with good oral care, brushing for 2 minutes at least twice a day, flossing daily, and skipping the alcohol and antimicrobial-based mouthwashes, opting for something instead like the Primal Life Organics Gum Serum, which is essential oil-based and won't disrupt the entire oral microbiome. For me, strong and healthy teeth trump white teeth every single time, but with the Primal Life Organics Real White LED Teeth Whitening System, I get to have both.